Sapaad Direct lets you offer an elegant self-ordering solution to enhance your customers' dine-in experience. When guests sit at the table, they can scan the QR code with their phones and browse a digital menu. This menu is directly linked to your Sapaad POS, making it easy to maintain and update. To get started, easily set up your Sapaad Direct settings by watching our video on Setting Up Sapaad Direct, linked in the description box. Once you've completed this process, you can now start generating your QR codes. Managing your store's QR ordering and group dining in Sapaad Direct is so easy. In this video, we'll show you how to do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Generate QR codes. Step 2. Download, print, and display the QR codes. Step 3. Have your customers scan a QR code and place their order. Let's start. First, we need to generate QR codes. With Sapaad Direct, you only need to generate 1 QR code per table. This QR code is tied to the table number and remains open if there's an active order. To do this, go to Setup, Location Setup. Choose the appropriate location and select Self-Ordering Systems. Click Sapaad Direct. Go to the QR tab, then go to Table QRs. Select a dining section and click a table's Generate QR Code button. This will create QR codes for specific tables. To generate a new QR code, click the adjacent QR button if you need to replace the current one. You can also create QR codes for all of your tables at once by clicking Generate QR for all tables. Next, download and print the QR codes, then display them on your dining tables. Make sure that it's easy for customers to see and scan them. Now, everything is ready, and all that's left is for customers to come in and place their orders. Once customers confirm their orders, they're sent directly to your POS. For their initial order, you'll receive a prompt to confirm order. This is a safeguard to ensure that a table is actually occupied. Tap the Confirm Order to send the items to the kitchen. Once orders are ready, your staff can go to the table and serve the items to your customers. When customers decide to make additional orders during their meal, they can conveniently return to the same menu page on their phones. Once selections are made, these choices are sent directly to the kitchen staff without the need for further confirmation, streamlining the process for both customers and the kitchen staff. After completing their meals, customers can proceed to the checkout page to settle their bill. Sapaad Direct Open tab also allows for fun and seamless group ordering. Multiple people can scan the same QR code and use their own devices to place their own orders. The person placing the initial order is requested to authorize other devices to join the table. And once it's time to pay, the group can decide to let one person pay for the entire bill or split the payment according to the items ordered per device. This allows for a simple and intuitive way to dine as a group. You can also explore Sapaad Direct's powerful features for group dining in the Other Settings tab. Enable waiter hailing lets your customers call for assistance via the Hail Waiter button, notifying staff on the POS dine-in screen or Sapaad Waiter app. Activate Auto Confirm Order for faster order processing. Orders are approved automatically, saving time. Also, you have the option to enable auto-approve group joiners to streamline order acceptance for all group members without manual approval from the first user. And there you have it! You've just learned how to manage your QR ordering and group dining on Sapaad Direct. Check out our video on setting up Sapaad Direct Lite. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.